Pointing and getting all the confirmed kiss out of it. It's a warm one.
Yeah, man. That's why I wore a short baby t-shirt today. A baby shirt with armpits showing.
I beat it?
Huh?
I beat it?
You got, no, you're a little red, but you just got tagged.
We're gonna be king of the hill next game.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's the hill?
Fort Matrix.
Fort Matrix is the hill?
You have to have 2 people in the hill at all times to keep it captured.
Alright.
Go medicals. So who's the medic?
I don't have it zoomed in all the way. Check it out.
Guys, 30 second bleed out time, okay?
10 seconds, 30 second bleed out.
Yeah, get like right here with your face.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Guaranteed hit,
Nah,
yeah.
I'm sure. You're an awesome player, bro.
You have 2 medics, or you can bleed out for 30 seconds. They have to hold you.
Yep, get in there, get in there.
Right on the guy's face.
Oh, shit.
I looked into it, the guy's face.
You like?
I love it, yeah. That's what safety breeze. I saw it from over there, it drew me this, I'm like, yo, that's pretty fucking cool.
Yes, sir.
We need to be chosen.
The sniper squad. We're all in there.
And they're like somewhere. Sniper squad.
Yeah. You'll be in there. Just to get an overall view of everybody.
You guys will be red, team on that side's red, blue. Two medics, so get your medics set up. 10 seconds per medic, so 1, 2, 3, 10.
Okay, I'm gonna send 3 or 4 guys with you with enforce.
Yep.
So they can push up into Germany. But I need you to run security in the back.
Yeah, I got Richard and Jimmy with me. So those are 2 more snipers on that side.
All right. So set up all 3 snipers there to hold anybody coming out. Make sure 1 sniper's in the back of tunnels.
We have a job.
Gunning.
Kill as many people as possible. Have fun. Go, shit, go. Come on, Jimmy, come on.
Going for the fort.
Robert,
Okay. Run B formation.
did you catch Richard?
2 on my left, 2 on my right.
I think he was in the other team.
Go left side of Japan.
What you got?
Game,
Game go, game go.
Hit 'em up.
I'm with you, lads. They're coming right there, right there, right there. You got him, you see him?
Oh shit, I got hit.
Where is he, where are you looking? Where?
He's dead ahead. I got 3. You can see him behind the tires. Oh, hit. Fuck.
Son of a bitch, yo. I'm gonna 40, Mike. I'm moving up to your right, lads. Right, shield, moving up. Watch out, they're moving in.
Nice.
Someone shooting from the left.
We're stationary.
Got him, he's hit. Rubber ducky grenade.
God bless you.
Frag out! Hit. I'm gonna reload before it gets fucking hairy.
I'm gonna go down to get kills so I can shoot.
You're gonna get some kills?
Yeah, I'm gonna go down to shoot.
You're gonna get hit, man. The zombies are gonna get you, dude.
I'm gonna become a zombie.
No, now you know where we're at. I should just shoot you right now. Go in. Those guys will be back in 5 minutes. Richard, I need you up here now. We lost 2. I'm completing my get a pistol kill from the top of Japan mission.
There you go.
Get up here. Give me your gun.
Yo.
Watch your feet.
I got one here. If you got the sniper rifle, you can definitely get it.
sus.
He's in Matrix.
Straight down.
Right there.
Yeah, you just right there.
Alright, watch this. I'm gonna snipe his ass. Watch.
Yeah, there you go. He's still there.
Alright, watch this. Just watch the baby hit him.
Yeah,
Is that his face?
Yeah, that's his head, it looks like. He's far, too.
Watch. Ooh.
He's moving.
Where? Hit, got him. Yeah, you saw that shot, yeah?
I was like, yo, let me get this shit to my boy Coach over here. He's got the range.
Right there, I see him. Hey, watch your left! He's hit. That's a pistol kill, top of Germany. Got one at Matrix. Watch this, he doesn't know this is coming. 40 mic.
Get the boom gun. Boom. Oh shit.
That was slow. Definitely.
Oh my god.
Watch this amazing shot.
Got this time.
Got him.
Oh shit, I see so many people going back to spawn.
Get down! Get down! Friendly! Watch out, I got eyes on an enemy. Oh!
Did you hit?
No.
30 seconds.
Slow, because that's the way to go. Coming into Matrix! They're in Matrix already! Far back. Moving up.
Right side.
I see him.
Two people across it.
Got him, he's hit, I got him.
Oh no, there's a guy keeps on
I got him, he's hit. There's another one. 2 of them far back woods coming from the right to the left. He's hit, I got him, he's hit. That was a badass shot. Holy shit. Got him!
Only SMGs and LMGs! That's fun.
Richard, don't leave me, Richard. Go. Target hit. Yo.
Two over there by black tunnel that's laying over.
Alright,
And then there's two in matrix bunker.
Whoa. Oh, right there. Fire coming from over there. Right there.
Yo, I got smoke. Do you need any right now?
No. We're gonna get these guys. Got him, he's hit, he's out.
Throwing that grenade right there in that corner.
Did they call it? They didn't call it? Suppressing.
Hurts depends on which one you're being shot by. You have the tagging in there or
The
not?
blue ones go in a big circle. The red one goes in a in the shoe. Oh, that's so cute. I'll call it. Shoot me in the face. Shoot me in the face.
Oh, you're gonna do it.
Shoot me in the face.
One's in the window on the right. They're pushing up.
At least 10 of them shits.
Oh man, you hit me too.
I did?
Yeah, I think that was you.
Oh my god, you're fucking a psycho.
I try.
You should try. You don't need to try. You're already a psycho. You're already
I saw the heat wave edition. You got that one. Maybe I can believe it. Why are you running this side on?
We lost a lot of people.
Yeah, like no people on our team.
We're wide open.
There's a wall. Alright.
There used to be a wall here.
It's right there.
Oh shit. That's it. Right here is where you need to be. Don't stick out too far. Right here, right where you're at. Stay right there and watch for any movement. You see anything moving, shoot.
Wait, we're on the same team.
Shit. Want to push it the last game?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you guys? Glad to see everybody here, smiling, having fun.
What's up, my boy?
I missed this one. I'll get the next one. Good game, good game, good game. All fun, smiles, fun, smiles.
No.
You guys are so professional, so professional. Good shit. Good shit. I needed this on video.
10 kill streak, bro.
I know.
Pound it from everyone. Pound it from everyone. What up, Romeo? What up? Pound it from everyone on video. Look at this.
What's up, brother?
What up? What up?
What's up, man?
John. What up, dude?
You gonna play now this
Next
game?
game. Next game. Yo. No, wait. I missed you. I had everybody.
What's up, bro?
What up, everybody? Lock it in, please, please, please. Thank you. What up? Victor, what up? What up? Good game, guys. We'll see you next game.
This is how good it is.
No!
God, no. This guy and his gun.
We will fix it. There's ways to the airsoft that most of us still don't understand. You need heavier BBs.